So, very good morning to all of you. Today, I'm going to show a simple accounting application in MS Excel. So, many of us nowadays we are doing a simple business. We are doing a small petty shop, grocery stores, any services, we are doing it. For that, we are keeping accounts in your books, or you have to buy a costly, expensive application for managing everything. So we need not to do all these things. We can do everything in our MS Excel for simple way and a simple process. So before we enter into that, you should know the basic accounting. What is it? What is accounting? What we are doing it? How do we prepare accounting reports for income tax, GST, and other purpose? So in Excel, you can keep all those things in a systematic manner that will help you for reporting. So before we go to that, I will start with the basic accounts here. So what is accounting? According to the Wikipedia, accounting is also known as accountancy is a measurement, processing and communication of financial and non-financial information about the economic entity such as business and corporations or any entity NGOs. So accounting which has been called the language of business. If you want to know about the business, you must look at the financial information of the business that will tell you what you are doing, how you are doing, where you are standing. All this detail you are get it from the financial information. So that's what we call this accounting is a language of business. So they measure the result of the company economic activity and convey this information to variety of stakeholders including your investors, creditors, management, regulations and so on. So the practitioner of accounting is also known as accountant. The term accounting and financial reportings are oftenly used as synonyms. This is a Wikipedia. So accounting is a simple way we are saying this language of business. So what is accounting cycle? The accounting cycle is the process of accepting, recording, sorting and crediting the payment and receive with the business during the particular period. So before we go to that, you must know what is accounting cycle and how do we do that. In next video, we will see what is accounting cycle and how do you start in MS Excel.